Welcome to part 2 of my Christmas gifts shopping video. In this part I'm going to show you the rest of my shopping. If you haven't seen part 1, please, I'm gonna link it somewhere in the screen, somewhere in here, so you can see it. And let's move on to part 2. So just recently I went to the outlet in Portsmouth a few days ago, and I went to the shop called the Cosmetics Company store, and that belongs to Este Lauder brand. Not only they were having things on sale, but they also had a promotion that everything that was on sale was 3 for 2. So essentially I wanted just to get the Clinique Even Better makeup foundation, and it's in that shade, and it's in the shade 64 cream beige. That's what it looks like, and it was discounted from 20.50 to 10.25. So for the Clinique foundation, I think this price is perfect. It cannot be better than this. And I've also bought a face mask from Glam Glow. That one was discounted from £6 to £3, so very good price for the Glam Glow face mask. Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask, yeah, that's what it looks like. And also the lady at the till informed me, because I didn't know that it was a sale that you could buy 3 things for 2 if they were on sale. So I also grabbed double brow blush from Este Lauder, and it was discounted from £12.75 to £6.38. So this is what it looks like, and I think this brush is really good, because I don't know if you can see that, but you see the line is just perfect. It's very thin, and this is what you want. It's very precise, and you've got brush at the end, which is fine. I never had any brushes from Este Lauder, but this one is very good quality. Yeah. So in total I've paid £16.63. So paying £16 for those 3 things, I think this is a very good bargain. And then I went to Pandora outlet. Just to give you a heads up, if you are looking for the products that are not on sale in the regular Pandora store, try the Pandora outlet in Gunworth Key, that's what it's called, Gunworth Key in Portsmouth, because a lot of products that were on sale or they're being discontinued are being sent to Pandora Gunworth. So I went there to exchange my charm, and I've also bought 2 things on the top of that. The first thing I've got in here is the charm that I wanted. Another thing that I've bought that was on very good price. Usually the rings like that are very expensive in Pandora. I'm probably gonna do that like up close shot or something, because it's shit. You can't see the ring very well, but it's not diamond, I wish. It's the zirconia ring, and normally it is very expensive. I think it was £60, but I've bought it for £29, so the price was very good. And another ring that I've bought is the Beats Rose Gold ring. That was £18, another very good price. Outlet price, so the beads ring was discounted from 29 to 18. The zirconia ring was discounted from 60 to 29. And chest of treasure was from 45 to £20. So very good. I think it's very good, guys. Another thing that I bought on sale from the cosmetics was I'm not sure if you can hear me. Another thing that I've bought in cosmetics was the Body Shop. The bag is obviously falling apart. And I've bought a Joy and Jasmine vegan winter line shower gel, and it was £3. Then I've bought Kindness and Purse from Winterline again for £3. Then I bought another winter sale, Winterline Love and Plums shower gel for £3. And I've bought a Olive body butter for £5. Yeah, the body butter olive was £5 and the shower gels were £3.25. And then I visited Rituals, and the shop outlet Rituals in Gunworth, Gunworth Quay, and I've bought a few products. I've bought Ritual of Karma body scrub, and then I've bought fragrance sticks, and I've bought the Ayurveda, Ayurveda fragrance sticks. Body scrub was £6, and sorry, because it doesn't tell me the price, it tells me how much it was discounted and was the original price, but it doesn't actually tell me what is the price. The Ritual of Ayurveda fragrance sticks was also £5. So that is it from the Rituals. So the first thing that I've bought from the clothing lines was the backpack in H&M in Poland that looks like that. It does remind me of the puffy coats for winter. So you open it in here, you open it like that, and you've got a space. I think it's great for laptops and things like that. It's very, very big, and it was 100 zlotys, which is like £20. Another thing that I've bought in H&M is this jacket coat. It's a short coat, it's a fur coat. I absolutely love the pattern of it. I'm in love. So one of my favorite brands is Gino Rossi. It's an Italian brand. And I've bought the shoes that are recently very fashionable. And they look like that. And now we're gonna move on to Victoria's Secret. So they had massive sales in Victoria's Secret. So the first thing that I've bought is those sweatpants from Victoria's Secret. And it was, I think, £15 or 20, yeah, it was £15. Yeah, I'm probably gonna tell you the prices down below, but it was £15 and I love the color, absolutely love the color, and you've got pink in there. Another thing that I've bought is that velour. Is it called velour? Then I've got the sweatpants that are like, how do you call it? Tie-dye? Yeah, tie-dye. Sweatpants in the blue color. I don't know, they look very green, but they're actually blue. I've got the pyjama. The pyjama is long sleeve and it's like a gift set, and that one was £20. And it's a leopard print pyjama. I've never had pyjama from Victoria's Secret, so I thought, okay, I'm having it, baby, I'm having it, no chance. And then if you're being triggered by the view of underwear, then please skip this video because I'm gonna be showing you my panties. I haven't worn them, obviously. So these are the panties. These are the, like, I love them because they're very neon-like. So they have a little bit of lace in here. And I've also bought the very sexy fragrance mist. I think that was £7. I love the smell of it. It has very male scent to it, like it was for a male, but it's not, it's female. And another trigger warning: if you're very sensitive, then please skip. I'm gonna be showing you underwear right now, and the things that I've bought in Ann Summers. I'm really into purple color recently because I bought this bra with the blue accents to it, and that bra, I'm lying you not, was $4.50. And I've also got this bra. It looks like that. Sorry, it's hard for me to show you, but it was this bra. I think that one was £10, something like that. I went to Bow Avenue, and I love Bow Avenue because they have very good prices and they have very cool clothing that I think looks very, very good. So The things that I've bought first of all was socks. These are the hard socks. These were discounted to £5 from £10, and you've got 3 in there. I've also got those Christmas gingerbread socks, as I mentioned before. I love gingerbread man, and that was £3. It's a bit pricey, but yeah, oh well. I got another pyjama set. It's in a bag like this, and it looks, oh my god, I love the pattern of this. It's like a blue leopard print. I'm literally dying for it. So that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's like that. And that's obviously long sleeve, and you've got long trousers, and it comes in a bag. And I bought another, that was, the pyjama was £15. Another thing that I bought is another bag pyjama, and it's a teddy bear one. I don't know if you can see teddy bears in there. It's a light blue, and again it's the same pyjama but different pattern. So it's a long sleeve, and you've got trousers in there as well. And now I've got the sets. I love buying bra and the panty sets. So you've got this one, this bra set. It has like a little pattern. It's pink, and you've got panties with it. Like that. Panties were £6, I think. All the bras were in between £14 to £20, something like that, but they're very, very good quality. And the great thing about Bow Avenue is that they have bras for the big sizes boobies, like unlike Victoria's Secret. And you've got a bra in that looks like that in here. Yeah, that has that sort of thingy, and it has lace in here. So it looks like that. Oh, and I've got matching panties to that. Again, pants were £6. Pants were £6. Yeah, and now I have a blue bra. I don't have a matching panties to it, unfortunately, but it has like a butterflies. The bra was £18, and it's like a navy blue. And then the last set of bra is the red bra, like that. It's a bright red, and you've got matching panties. There we go. And you've got bathrobe. Yes, I had my bathrobe for 5 years, and I just feel like I had to buy a new one. And this one is super soft, and it has Bow Avenue. It's in the color gray. It is a bit shorter than mine, but it has hoodie. This was very important to me. I love hoodies and bathrobes, and that one was £20. Another thing that I've bought, it's not really a cosmetic or anything, but I've bought this gingerbread. I bought the gingerbread cup in Primark, and it came with the hot chocolate. It was like a hot chocolate kit. I don't have the box, or I can't find the box that it came in. So this is basically what it looks like, and it was in a box, in a gift set box. So I love gingerbread man, so I had to buy it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, hit the bell button next to it so you'll be notified about the future videos, and I'll see you later. Bye.